I'm Emily Lawless with Allegiance Home Health, your host for ESRN's Member Spotlight. This month, our spotlight is Heidi Friedman with Friedman Elder Law Department. Welcome, Heidi. Where are you Zooming from?
Hi, Emily. Hi, everybody. I actually am Zooming from the most beautiful place ever, which I didn't even know existed, even though I'm a Floridian, New Smyrna Beach, and I'm going to give you like a little tour.
Oh my gosh.
Is that gorgeous?
I'm there now.
And I will tell you, just so in case people are like a little bit concerned, we're still very COVID aware. So we're all wearing masks. So.
Great. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you for taking some time to join us, even from the beach. What does ESRN mean to you?
So ESRN has been an amazing group for me because not only have I met some amazing, wonderful people, and I've been so blessed to be on the board. So I've been very involved in the group, but also it also provides me with a wealth of people and referral sources that I can use in the senior space that I know are professionals and I know that are very, very successful and do really well in their positions to help with my clients and to help make my clients' experiences as aging just a much better experience for them. So it's really been an amazing group for me.
Great. And how have you adjusted during these times? I can tell you're at the beach for one, but what else have you done with Friedman Elder Law Department and in your personal life?
So, interestingly enough, COVID has really opened a lot of doors for the elder law world in general because one of the things for us, we've always done phone consultations and we've always dealt with a lot of the children of our clients that have lived in different states. But one thing I never really thought about was to do a virtual consultation or a Zoom meeting with them. So that's been extremely eye-opening for me. So now we're able to do these consultations, still seeing the people, which I think is such a much better experience because when you're dealing in the elder law world and you're dealing with your parent or somebody who's going through illness or needs long-term care, it can be an extremely emotional time. And so it's really great that we're able to do more of that one-on-one, face-to-face consultation now that I never really thought about doing before.
Yes.
So I think it's really changed a lot of the face of this particular practice of law because there's a lot more, it's a lot more acceptable now to do a video conference. And also, I will tell you on the bad side though, it's been a very difficult adjustment for a lot of our family members because they're now having to make decisions, to place their loved ones that need maybe a facility into a facility where they know they might not be able to see them. And I know that just recently changed, so there's been a little bit of a door opener for that. But it has been a very difficult time for a lot of seniors or a lot of families that have seniors. But for us, it really does change the face of how we practice now. So
Yes.
it's been very helpful. I mean, listen, I'm able to be in New Smyrna Beach celebrating one of my best friend's birthday and still work and be okay with it because, we're able to do everything remotely.
Yes, it has definitely changed in that sense. And what's the difference between an elder law attorney and an estate lawyer?
So that's a great question because a lot of people ask me that. And, estate lawyers are very good at what they do. And what they really focus on is how do I make sure that upon death, that my assets go to where my assets need to go to whatever beneficiaries there are. And, also just making sure that I have my beneficiaries after my death don't have to jump through hoops. And while we also do estate planning, we do estate planning with a much different focus. Estate planning for younger people is really and truly, how do I make sure that if I die, my spouse, my children are still taken care of? There's still money there. There's not going to be a financial burden as well as that emotional burden. When you start to be like 65, 68, your focus should change in your estate plan. And what it should be changing to now is how do I make sure that my money is there for me until my death so that I can leave a legacy. I have a program, we call it Life Before Legacy, and we do that because the estate plan now that we do for the elder population or in that third stage of your life is how do I protect my money so I don't outlive it, so that I can have enough money to pay for the long-term care that I need and make sure that I'm living my last years the way that I home health care or an assisted living facility or even going into a nursing home. Plus, what we do is we also help people qualify for government benefits, whether it's Medicaid or VA, to help pay for that care. And regardless of whether you have significant amounts of money or you have long-term care insurance, you know, long-term care is very expensive in this country, and especially down in Florida. So if you can qualify for Medicaid or VA benefits to help pay for that care, again, it just allows your private money to last longer and to be used by your family to better your care as you continue to age. That's really kind of the difference. But
that was a great answer. Thank you for sharing. And what is the best way for people to reach you?
So the best way for people to reach me is usually either by going on my website at www.elderlawdepartment.com, and I have a thing there that you can reach me. There's whatever those things are called, where you can type in your name and we'll call you right back. You can see me on Facebook, or you can always call my office at 954-866-1055. Or also, you can always reach us by an email at teams@elderlawdept.com.
Great, thank you. I'll provide that information below the video. And last, what is a fun fact about you other than that you're at the beach right now?
Okay, so there's a couple fun facts that I need to tell people. First of all, one of my most fun facts, and I don't know if it's actually a fun fact, but it's something that I've been taught since I'm a little girl. I never leave the house without mascara. My friends make fun of me all the time. I'm on the beach and I have mascara on my eyes. It's just the way that it is. That's just number one.
Love it.
Mascara is amazing. For every woman out there, I don't care what you do, you gotta wear mascara. The second fun fact about me is that people actually have told me that I've gone into the wrong business, that I really should be a stand-up comedian. Not sure, because everything I do, every story I tell, is just things that happen to me, and yeah, they tend to be really, really funny for some reason. And third is like, yes, I know I can do something at the beach right now, doing an interview with you on a Monday. That's
Yes.
awesome. Yay me.
I love
Don't
it.
be a hater.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to find out who our next spotlight is and where they'll be zooming from.
Me too.
If you need elder law services, please contact Heidi Friedman. I'm Emily Lawless with ESRN Member Spotlight. Thank you. Bye, Heidi.